Good morning, 8th class students. Our topic linear equations in one variable. So we completed 2.3 exercise and also 2.4. Today I am going to take 2.4 and 2.5 exercise problems. Mary is twice older than her sister. So here two persons are there. One is Mary and one is her sister. In 5 years, it means after 5 years. First of all, I don't know what is the present age of Mary and also what is the present age of Mary's sister. Solution. Let present age of Mary's sister I am taking x years. Let Mary's sister age x. Then after, what about Mary's age? Age of Mary is equal how many times? Twice to her sister age. So it is nothing but 2x. Now Mary is twice older than her sister. So I don't know the present age of Mary's sister. What I am taking here? Let present age of Mary's sister is equal to x. Then what about the Mary's age? It is twice to her sister age. So age of Mary is equal to x. In 5 years, it means after 5 years. For example, take one person present age is 10 years. One person present age is 10 years. After 5 years, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So after 5 years, in 5 years, after 5 years, Mary's sister age is equal to x plus 5. Why? Because the present age is x. After 5 years means x plus 5. Then after Mary's age is equal to 2x plus 5. Is equal to 2x plus 5. In 5 years then, she will be 2 years older than her sister. So after 5 years, the marriage age 2 more than her sister's age. As per given, as per given. After 5 years, the marriage age 2 years more than her sister's age. So what is the after 5 years marriage age? 2x plus 5. After 5 years, Mary's age 2x plus 5. Mary's age is 2 years more than her sister age. After 5 years, what is her sister age? X plus 5. X plus 5. Plus 2. Why? Because 2 years more than. So 2x plus 5 is equal 5 plus 2 7 x plus 7. Now I am transporting like terms on one side. So 2x minus x is equal to 7 minus 5. See, plus x become minus x, plus 5 become minus 5. 2x minus 1x how much? X is equal to 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So what is the x is equal to 2? X is nothing but present age of Mary's sister. So Mary's sister age is equal to 2 years. Is equal to 2 years. Then Mary's age 2 into 2 is equal to 4 years. So the age of Mary's sister age is 2 years and age of Mary is equal to 4 years. So here is another question. That is nothing but example 21. Rehana got 24% discount on her frack. For example, Rehana went to one shop to buy a frack. So what is the discount? 25%. she got a 24% discount on her flat. She paid, how much she paid? 380 rupees after discount. After discount. Now find the market price of the flat. It means I don't know what is the price of the flat. Let MP means market price of flat is equal to K rupees. I don't know. See here, Rehana went to one shop to buy a flat. So what he got? What she got? She got 24% discount on the flat. After the discount, she paid 380 rupees. Let market price of flat is equal to K rupees. I don't know. What is the discount? Discount 24%. It is 24% of K. Of K. See, she got 24% discount on market price. It means K into 24 by 100 is equal to 24K by 100. Now discount is equal to K minus 24K by 100. Here, what is LCM? K is LCM. Discount is equal to 24K by 100. So after the discount, what she paid? 380 rupees as per given. Market price is K. Market price is K. So on this K, what is the discount? 24K by 100. So K is market price. 24K by 100 is discount. So after the discount, she paid 380 rupees. After the discount, she paid 340 rupees. 380 rupees. Now I am taking LCM. What is LCM here? 100. It is nothing but 100K minus 24K is equal to 380 by 1. 100 minus 24, 76K is equal to. I am doing cross multiplication. 380 into 100. 380 into 100. Now 76 I am transporting to that side. K is equal to 380 into 100 by 76. Now calculations. 2 3s are 7, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are. Next to 2 5s and 0, 38 1s are 38 10s are. So how much? 500. So what is the market price of that frock? 500 rupees. MP, market price of frock is equal to 500 rupees. Is equal to 500 rupees. 4/5 of a number is greater than 3/4 of a number by 4. Find the number. 4/5 of a number. 4/5 of a number means first I don't know what is the required number. Solution. Let required number be x. So I am taking the required number be x. Next what I need here? 4/5 of a number. 4/5 of a number is equal to 4x by 5. 4/5 of a number is equal to 4x by 5. Next what I need? 3/4 of a number. 3/4 of a number is equal to 3x by 4. 3x by 4. As per the data, 4/5 of a number is greater than 3/4 of a number by 4. As per data. As per data. 4/5 of a number is 4 more than the 3/4 of a number. 4/5 of a number is 4 more than the 3/4 of a number. Here what I am doing? Taking like terms are one side. Taking like terms are one side. Plus 3x by 4. If I transpose to left side, it became as a minus quantity. So 4x by 5 minus 3x by 4 is equal to 4. Now here I am taking LCM. What is LCM here? 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. So 20 going 4 times in 5 tables. So it is 4 into 4x minus 4 5s are going in 5 times. So 5 into 3x is equal to 4. 4 4s are 16x minus 5 3s are 15x by 20 is equal to 4. Now I am doing cross multiplication. By doing that, 16x minus 15x is nothing but 1x is equal to 4 into 20 is equal to 80. So what is the value of the x? 80. X means required number. Here required number x is equal to 80. So here required number is 80. So here the difference between two positive integers is 36. It means here two integers are there. I don't know what are that. But the difference between two integers is equal to 36. So from the two integers, one I am taking as x. Let one integer be x. So from the two integers, one I am taking as x, then another integer. Is equal to x minus 36, and the integer is nothing but x minus 36. So what is the question here? If I divide one integer by another, what is the question here? 36 is a question as per given. For example, if I divide x by x minus 36, if I divide x by x minus 36, what is the question here? 4 is a question. So I am doing a cross multiplication. So x is equal to 4 into x minus 36. Now x is equal to 4 into x, 4x minus 4 6 are 24, 2. 4 3 are 12 plus 2, 14. So 144. I am transporting like terms are one side. See here. Minus 144 became as plus 40, plus 144. Similarly, plus x became as minus x. So 144 is equal to 3x. Then 144 by 3 is equal to x. Now cancellation. 3 4s are 12, 13, 14, 2 remaining. 24. 3 8s are 24. So what is the required number here? Required number x is equal to 24. So 48. Sorry. 48 is the required number. So it is showing here is the worksheet for you. So complete homework. Thank you.